Welcome to CITE Professional Development. For the next 5 minutes or so, I'd like to take you on a brief tour of our professional development and parent engagement services, providing a description of how our consultants will be able to assist all educators as they strive to meet the instructional needs of their students. Let me start by saying that CITE has been working with school administrators, teachers, and parents for over 15 years. We have over 50 recently retired, knowledgeable NYC administrators who have effectively served at all education levels, in elementary, middle school, or high school environments. It should also be noted that our consultants are ready, willing, and able to provide professional development or parent engagement on-site or virtually. Our primary goal is to extend the vision of the school principal. CITE consultants will therefore tailor professional development, which by the way is CTLE approved, or parent initiatives so that participants leave the training saying, "That was great. We want more of that." In fact, you will not be expected to pay for services rendered unless you are completely satisfied. With the advent of COVID-19, there is no doubt that educators and parents are feeling the pressure of educating children in an effective way. Given that premise, CITE consultants have developed a series of workshops designed to meet the needs of administrators, teachers, and parents. Workshops are designed to be engaging, interactive, and meet the social, emotional needs of participants. In the case of parent workshops, they can be presented in Spanish and Chinese as well, with accompanying materials. New topics can also be developed. While there are a number of immediate needs given the current pandemic, CITE consultants remain available to address the day-to-day pedagogy issues faced by educators, be it analyzing data, meeting the needs of students with disabilities, or supporting English language learners in the mainstream. The school quality review is still very much on the minds of all educators. Whether it be an on-site or virtual review, our DOE-trained consultants remain uniquely qualified to support administrators as they prepare for the event. As we know, the school principal is held accountable for everything that takes place within the confines of a school building, period. That accountability is now evaluated using the Principal Performance Objective, or PPO. Let our trained personnel help you analyze the implementation of structures, processes, and systems that are key to affecting positive change in the school. On another note, the development of coherent CEP, including CEP goals, snapshots, and action plans, has proved challenging for many administrators. CITE consultants currently provide guidance as principals and school teams analyze priority needs, data trends, and root causes, resulting in properly structured school goals using the recently provided SMART Goal Builder and a coherent school snapshot and action plan. Creating culturally responsive classrooms. Social and emotional learning. Advanced literacy. Danielson's Framework for Effective Teaching. And College Access for All are initiatives that have recently come to the foreground. Highly effective educators are well aware that addressing these needs is crucial if children are to succeed in school and life. Interactive workshops have been developed for all members of the school community. We can also facilitate college campus tours in the case of College Access for All. We even have a number of CITE consultants who are not only presenters, but college professors and published authors in these areas. Parent workshops are crucial to enhancing the home-school connection. Our extensive list of parent workshop topics can be presented on-site or virtually in Spanish and Chinese as well. New topics can also be created to meet the needs of your school community. In conclusion, I'd like to first thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to view our presentation. We realize you are quite busy these days, and your time is precious. Please email or call one of our CITE coordinators to discuss your professional development and/or parent engagement needs. We welcome the opportunity to speak to or visit with you. Appointments can be made virtually as well to accommodate your busy schedule. Thank you, and best of luck for a successful school year.